I feel like I am reliving all of my childhood dreams because this was my favorite thing to get, Hawaiian shaved ice, when I was younger. We did not have our own machine at home, and now I have one, and I'm so pumped. So I love this one because it comes with like the full package. So you get the ice machine, you get 2 molds to make your ice, you get your 3 different flavors, you get the straw spoons, and you get the cones, and you even get the pourer. So like everything you need, it is the full package starter kit. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it. It is so simple. You have a fill line inside the ice mold. So you're going to fill that up, obviously put in the freezer overnight, and you plug in your machine. So simple. You just take off the top here and put your ice right here. It pops right out of this. There's no struggling, as you saw. And then this just sits on top. Yes, you will see it sticks out a little bit, and that is totally fine. And then you're going to take your cup. You can use these cups or anything. And I'm just going to turn it a little bit so that I can actually see. We're going to put it underneath here and just push the button at the top. Kind of hard to see because it goes right on the top, but look at that. Perfectly shaved ice. And now I am going to take the grape flavoring. I'm going to pour that out on top. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. And of course, I should have gotten my spoon out already, but I didn't. Here we go. Grab that. So you've got your little spoon and straw. And check this out. Oh man. Guess I'll just make myself another one.